Welcome back. Today we are going to look at place values and how we write numbers. Look at the screen. You may be familiar with this already. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, and millions. So if I were to place a number here like that, that is the number 35. 3 tens, 5 ones. Let's write 1,500,029,375 in our place value table. So the place value of, let's say, 9 is thousands, and the place value of, let's say, 1 is millions. What's the place value of 7? You got it? It's tens. Instead of using the words, we can actually use the number value for each of these place values. So this is 1, this is how we write 10, and this is how we write 100, and I mean, you know this already. Over here we have 100,000, and if you look carefully at a million, you'll see that how many zeros do we have there? 6 zeros. So that's just revision for most of y'all. But there are two important questions that can be asked about this topic. What is the place value of a digit, and what is the actual value of a digit? Let me show you. So let's look at the number 950,482. What is the place value of the underlying digit? So I'm seeing that the 5 is underlined. What is the place value of the 5? The 5 is in the ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, tens of thousands position. So the place value of the underlying digit is tens of thousands. Or we can write it as 10,000. But what is the actual value of this underlying digit? The actual value is 5 tens of thousands, or 50,000. And of course, we can just write it like 50,000. Do you understand the difference between telling the value of a digit and telling the place value of the digit? The place value is where the digit is. The value is the actual value, how much the digit is worth. Another skill we must acquire in this topic is changing numbers from words to numerals. Let me do a few quick examples. 461 can be written as there's 4 in the hundreds column. This 60 stands for 6 in the tens column. And this 1 means 1 in the ones column. So this is 461. 70,000 means 7 in the tens of thousands and 0 in the thousands. 70,000. And 23, oh no, there's no hundreds. So there's 0 hundreds and 23. So this number will look like 70,023. 408,254. It's a lot, but it would be 408,254. Sometimes we place a comma after every 3 digits going this way, just so that the number can be easily read. But if you don't want to place a comma, just put a little space. The reverse of word to numeral is numerals to word. So if given 65,001, we can write that as 65,001. Notice the zeros in the hundreds and tens position. And this number is 399. Now is a good time to point out that there should be a hyphen here and there. Anytime we write out the words for a number between 21 and 99, we put a hyphen between the two words. One of the more tested skills is being able to change numerals or words to expanded notation. So we have before us the number 81,702. To expand this, we use the digits and their place values. Watch it. We have 8 times 10,000 plus 1 times 1,000 plus 7 times 100 plus 0 times 10 plus 2 times 1. There you have it. That's expanded notation. And sometimes when you have a situation where we multiply by 0, we can just remove it. but to be exact, I like to put it in. Here's the number, 34,626. Can you expand this? I'll do it for you in the next class. Love and blessings.